Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, coming to you from Borla Commerce Park.
You know, floor mats are kind of an unsung hero. Nobody talks about them a whole lot, but they go a long way toward protecting your vehicle, and of course they can make your vehicle look great. But there's not a lot of options out there when it comes to aftermarket floor mats. You have the cheap rubber ones that you lay down on the floor. They don't fit your car very well, and they don't last very long, and they look awful. If you're lucky, you get one that's carpeted. They still don't fit very well, but 3D custom fit floor mats can help us out. And Kyle, tell us what you have going on there that's going to make my car look great and protect it.
Today we have our 3D Max Splatter NHOU custom fit all-weather floor mat. The floor mats are custom fit for specific vehicles, so depending on what kind of vehicle you have, Honda Accord, Ford Ranger, Tesla Model 3, whatever kind of car you have, the mats are custom fit to that specific model.
They look great in our Ford Ranger here, I can tell you, Kyle, and you sent them to us in black. What other colors are available?
The colors available for our floor mats are gray, tan, and black, so those are the main options.
Gotcha. The key to what you guys do is the construction, the durability. Tell me how they're made.
The mats are made out of a triple layer construction. The top layer of the mats are made out of a thermoplastic rubber. The middle layer is made out of an XPE foam, and the back layer is made out of our patented Max Splatter fibers. It's little hairs that grip onto your interior carpet so it doesn't ruin the vehicle.
That's an ingenious idea, because I know the cheap floor mats, the rubber ones, have the nubs on the back and they put pock marks in your carpet, and those sometimes never go away. And if you've got a classic car or a really nice car, you don't want that going on. And worse yet, some have Velcro on the back, and if you keep inserting those and removing them, that's going to tear your carpet up after a few years worth of use. But this is a great idea, and it keeps it stuck right in there. And also, the Max Fibers, in conjunction with the way it's form fit to your car, makes it stay right in there perfectly.
Exactly. Some of our floor mats have eyelets on the top of them, so it can clip directly into the vehicle so it doesn't slide around. But some of them also just cover the area to make sure that it doesn't slide around on the vehicle's interior.
What lengths do you go to make sure that each of these fits the car that they're made for?
Every single one of our floor mats get tested within each vehicle that we say that it fits. So when we say that it fits this vehicle, we've actually taken that mat, gone and found that vehicle, put it in and tested it.
Now, you've worked awfully hard at that, because you make it for a ton of vehicles. How many different cars and trucks?
We have about 6,500 different applications.
My goodness, that's incredible. And what if you don't have my brand, even though you have 6,000 of them out there? If you don't have what I need exactly, what can you do?
Yeah, well, in that case, we have our universal floor mats. They are made in the exact same method as the NHOU floor mats. Thermoplastic rubber, XPE foam in the middle, and then Max Splatter backing on the back. These are all trimmed to fit, so they have little lines all over them that you can cut to make sure that it fits the interior of your vehicle.
Those are going to look just as great as your custom fit floor mats. And what other models of mats do you have? It's not just the NHOU.
In addition to the NHOU, we have our Elegant line, which is a carpeted floor mat series that is an alternative to your OEM carpet.
And you branched out quite a bit. It's not just floor mats anymore. You've got a number of other products we can check out. What do you have?
In addition to our floor mats, we have our carbon fiber handy trunk. It's similar construction to the floor mat, but it's intended for you to be able to organize the equipment that you keep in your cargo area. It's a little box.
Love it.
We have headrests, seat protectors, seat covers, and cargo liners.
Very cool. You've got a really neat line, a lot of innovative stuff. Where can we find them? Can I get them in retail stores?
We have multiple distributors online. You can also purchase them directly from us at our website at www.3dmatsusa.com.
And finally, you talk about the durability. These things are made really well. How long of a warranty? You guys really back your product.
All of our products come with a 3-year limited warranty.
It's fantastic. And again, tell me the website. Where can we find them?
www.3dmatsusa.com.
Well, you're going to love the 3D custom fit floor mats. They're going to fit your car really well, and they're going to keep it protected for a long, long time. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings right after this.